Cloudflare versus Vercel 2025. Which is better for hosting websites? Cloudflare and Vercel are both popular website hosting solutions in 2025, but which is better for your project? Cloudflare offers a global key-in, DOS protection, serverless functions and caching. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a security or clean provider, but Cloudflare can host full websites with fast load times and strong reliability. You won't believe what happens next. It also includes automatic SEL, image optimization, and edge computing for dynamic applications. Vercel focuses on front-end deployment, particularly for frameworks like Next.js, React, and Vue. Unlike Cloudflare, it's optimized for developer workflows, continuous deployment, and serverless functions that scale automatically. Pricing differs. Cloudflare provides free tiers for basic hosting and security, while Vercel's free tier is limited but designed for developers needing easy deployments and collaboration. So, which is better? For enterprise-scale performance, security, and edge computing, Cloudflare excels. For modern web development, rapid deployment, and front-end focused projects, Vercel is smarter. The surprising truth is that hosting isn't just about uptime, it's about speed, security, and how well the platform fits your workflow, which makes the choice crucial for developers and businesses alike.